PrideWorks is an annual youth conference that happens in Westchester County every spring. The ultimate goal is to have folks walk away with experiences and tools and knowledge and information that they didn't have when they walked in, so they can go back and make their schools and their communities and their workplaces a little bit more LGBTQ friendly, a little bit more supportive, a little bit more accepting, and contribute to the progress of the world.
Today we're welcoming almost 500 queer and trans middle and high school students and their adult advocates for an amazing day of celebration and empowerment. We have community organizations, doctors, legal services, colleges. There's a bookstore and a jewelry maker, so they can also pick up lots of information about community centers and schools that they might like to connect with. The youth and the students that are here today, I hope they leave knowing that they are loved.
Seeing a lot of people in here just makes me feel happy and safe. It's okay to be this. You're not alone.
It's amazing that everyone here is like me. Everyone's accepting. Everyone's curious, wants to learn more. And it's a little mind-blowing. I am going to take back this feeling, and I'm going to try and share it with as many people in my community as possible to help make my community a safe and accepting and empathetic place.
With everything going on in the world right now, I think it's really important to get the word out there that we are here. Just seeing people living their best lives as people like me was so inspiring to see, and I love seeing that.
Queer youth are at risk of so many different things because of isolation, and I think it's just really important that we continue to show up. We have future leaders in these workshops right now, right? There's future leaders in this space. I think the queer joy that this can kind of highlight and bring is really important right now.
Ask them what they're interested in learning about. Ask them about their identity. Ask them about their preferences, because they will know that you're interested and that you care with the way that you interact with them. And they will feel that, even if you miss them, because you're human.
They're resilient, they're ready to stand up for what's right, and they're powerful, and their voice matters.
We can either help people bloom, or we can help them not necessarily be their best selves. We have the opportunity to help them be their best selves at events like PrideWorks.